Install a connected power outlet. With a connected power outlet and the Home Plus Control app, you can switch on the light from your smartphone to make it look like someone is home. You can check the consumption of appliances plugged into connected power outlets. You can receive an alert on your smartphone if there's a power cut. You can also control your lights and appliances using voice control via a voice assistant such as Siri, Google Assistant, or Alexa. Say, "Siri, turn on the TV," or "OK Google, turn on the TV," or "Alexa, turn on the TV." We'll show you how to install a connected power outlet. The connected power outlet requires prior installation of a starter pack so it can control its electrical appliances locally or remotely via the Home Plus Control app. To install this power outlet, you need a 1-gang flush mounting box 40 mm deep, 2.5 square mm electrical wires, and your tools. For safety reasons and for optimum installation, it is vital to cut off the power at the main switch. The connected power outlet is flush mounted in a 1-gang box 40 mm deep. It can replace a conventional power outlet. Connect the wires to the automatic terminals, the phase wire, neutral wire, and earth wire. Mount the power outlet in its flush mounting box. It can be fixed with screws or with a cloth provided. Once you have finished the installation by adding the other connected wired products, turn the power back on. The connected power outlet LED lights up red. To finish the installation, you should configure products to work together via the HomeAway wireless master switch supplied in the starter pack. To install wired products and configure the connected installation, please refer to the other available tutorials. All products are available in Valena Life and Valena Allure finishes.